We are here to learn about name manager, what exactly we can do with name manager. So name manager is usually used where you need to define a range, and instead of selecting that particular range you can just mention the name of the range and Excel will automatically detect the range. So it will be clear once we do an example. So what we have here is we have month-on-month sales for different regions like East, West, North, South, along with the quarters. So we need to identify which region has done what sale in the respective quarters. So how we can do that using name manager. So first we need to define names to these ranges. So there are two methods to do it. One is going to formulas and selecting this range and doing define, going to name manager, going to new, selecting this range and mentioning the name as East, which is the heading, and click OK. So now you see this is the name which appears here, which says East. It has defined a range which says East. So we can do that one by one for all the columns, or there's a shortcut to do it for all the columns at one go. So I'll tell you how to do it. So we'll select the full range including the headings. Click on this which says create from selection. So you just need to click top row, so it will identify the headings according to the top row. So we'll click on OK. So now you go into name manager, it has already defined all the ranges here. So how to use it in a formula, we'll do it here. So we'll apply sum ifs. So for the sum range we need to select this East here. So instead of going here and selecting this, we can just mention East. You see this appears here. So it is a range, comma, the criteria range. The criteria range is the quarter. So we'll mention again, instead of the range, selecting the range, we'll mention quarter. It'll appear here, and the selection criteria is the quarter which we have defined in this column, which is this A17. Click enter. So it has identified this. We'll drag this. So it will give us the sales for each quarter without selecting the range, just by mentioning the name of the range itself. So we'll do the same with East. So sum ifs. The sum range will be west. We'll click tab and then comma. So the criteria will be the quarter again. Quarter. Click on tab. It will automatically select, and then the quarter which we need to identify, Q1. We'll click enter and we'll drag this. Similarly, we can do that for north and south. So I'll just do that quickly. So that's how you use the name manager. It's very useful and helpful and time saving if you use it correctly. Okay. Thanks for watching the videos, guys. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video if it was helpful. Thank you.